Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Cloudflare issues in the Google Chrome and access the website properly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to understand what is happening here. Now, Cloudflare is a security system that protects your websites. So if Chrome keeps showing you the Cloudflare checking loops, block access or endless verification, it usually means that your web browser data or the network is being flagged. So if that's the case, simply open your Cloudflare website that isn't loading. After that, you need to click on the log icon near the address bar. And now you need to open the website settings. Once you have done that, you need to clear the cookies and the site data for that particular website only. Then reload the page. So this is going to remove the broken Cloudflare verification files and usually fixes the endless loop. Now, Cloudflare often blocks the VPN tariffs or proxy IPs. So if you are using any of the free or the paid VPNs, you just have to click on that and you need to basically turn it off. So once you have done that, simply refresh the page. Also, disable the extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions temporarily because they can also block the Cloudflare verification. In order to disable them, simply click on the three dots on your web browser. Now, hover over to the extensions and click on the option of Manage Extensions. It is going to show you all of the extensions that you have added in your Chrome web browser. So in order to remove any one of these, simply click on it in order to turn it off, just like so. Now in the next method, you just have to change some of the DNS settings in your Chrome. So in order to do it, simply click on the three dots again on the top right hand corner. Now click on the settings. Over here in the settings, you just have to look for the option of secure DNS. So use the search bar on the top and search for secure DNS. Now, once you are able to find it, you need to switch it to a trusted provider. Then simply restart your Chrome. So this helps when DNS routing is causing you the verification failures. Now, you can open the website in the incognito mode. If it works there, the problem is definitely cache, cookies, or extensions. So if that's the case, you can reset Chrome settings to the default in order to fix the issue permanently. If nothing works, your IP may be blocked by the website. In that case, you can restart your router to get a new IP or use mobile data and try again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.